Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are parents looking for a book that not only entertain your child but also teaches important life lesson, and today review is just for you. Today we are taking a close look at this. This is a Hitopadesh Book 3 Classic Literature for Children published by Navneet Education. This is one book from the 5 book series and it contains 6 famous moral stories that have been adapted into the simple English for young children. So this book still worth buying today. Who is it best suited for? What are its strengths and its weakness? Let's find out. Let's talk about the book. The first thing you'll notice is the attractive cover. It features colorful illustration of animals like lion, fox, deer, zebra, rabbit, monkey, and giraffe. Right away, children know they are going to read exciting animal stories. This edition is written for children in simple language. The adaptation is by Asmita Bhatt. The author is Yogesh Joshi, and the illustration is done by Mahendra Mistry. Inside the book, you will find 6 different stories. This include the naughty monkey, the greedy fox, the bell demon and the old woman, fourth the rich mouse, fifth the lion and the hare, sixth the tiger with a golden bangle. Every story teaches a valuable lesson about life, making the book educational as well as enjoyable. The story quality. One thing I really like is that every story has a clear message. Instead of simply entertaining children, each story encourages them to think. For example, one story shows them how acting without thinking can lead to trouble. Another teaches that greed often breeds in loss. Some stories highlight intelligence over physical strength. Others remind children not to trust appearance. These lessons are still relevant today. Although the stories were written centuries ago, they continue to teach value like honesty, patience, wisdom, kindness, and careful decision making. Because the stories are short, children don't lose interest easily. Each chapter feels complete and satisfying. The illustration deserve also praise. Every few pages, there's a large colorful drawing showing the important movements in the story. The picture make reading much easier for younger children. Even if a child does not understand every word, the illustration helps to explain what's happening. The artwork is bright without being overly complicated. Parents can also use the picture to ask questions. What do you think will happen next? Why does this character look scared? What lesson do you think this story teaches you? This makes reading more interactive English level. The English used in this book is simple. Most sentences are short and easy to understand. Children who are beginning to read chapter books can practice their reading skill without feeling overwhelmed. The story also introduces useful vocabulary naturally. Parents help to explain different words as they read together. This makes the book useful for improving both reading ability and comprehension. Who should buy this book? I think this book is best for children around primary school age who enjoy animal stories and are beginning to read independently. It is also a good choice for bedtime reading. Teacher can use this story in classroom to discuss moral and value. Parents looking to reduce screen time may also find this book helpful because the stories are engaging and don't take very long to finish. Let's talk about the pros and the cons. Let's quickly look at all the positive. The pros are 6 classic moral stories in one book. Simple English suitable for children. Bright and attractive illustration. It encourages reading habit. Teaches important life values. Lightweight and easy to carry. Let's talk about the cons. Some words may require parental guidance for younger readers. Children who prefer fast-paced modern stories might find the storytelling style more traditional. Final rating. The story quality I'll give 5 out of 5. For illustration I'll give 5 out of 5. For educational value I'll give 5 out of 5. For reading difficulty I'll give 4 out of 5. Value for money I'll give 5 out of 5. Overall rating I'll give 4.8 out of 5. If you're looking for a timeless moral story book that combines enjoyable storytelling with meaningful life lessons, Hitopadesh Book 3 is an excellent addition to a child bookshelf. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational book review, children reviews, children books and learning resources. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye friends.